Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from You Try It. Today, joining me in the kitchen, we have two special guests. One is my adorable niece, Lola. Where's Lola?
Hi!
What is your name?
Lola.
And guess what? Lola has her own YouTube channel.
What?
I will put her YouTube channel information below the description box, so make sure to check it out. And the second guest we have today is my daughter, Alicia. Where is Alicia? Say hi.
Today we are going to teach you how to make these delicious Mickey Mouse pancakes. First, we need 1 cup of flour. Now, you could use 2 tablespoons of Monkfruit sweetener or 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna mix. Next, we mix our wet ingredients. 1 large egg. 1 cup of buttermilk. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna do mix. Next, pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. See all that? Mix.
Yeah.
Now it's so heavy. Okay. Yeah, this is very quick. Preheat the griddle to 350 degrees. Make sure your parents help you to put the machine on. If you're using a pancake ring, make sure you spray it with oil before you put the mix in.
There you go.
Make sure to spread the batter evenly inside your pancake ring. When the edges are set, you can remove the pancake from the ring.
When you see the bubbles on the sides, you will know it's ready to flip. Oh, it tastes good. This will be a very funny video.
Cook the pancakes until both sides are golden brown or completely cooked through. And it's time to eat.
It does taste good.
That's good?
Can I try some?
There's too many people watching. You guys stop watching.
Alright, I'll do this.
Stop watching.
This is how we make yummy pancakes.
Do it again.
Have a teaspoon of
Baking soda.
Have a teaspoon of baking soda.
And you spill half of it. She spilled half of it. Okay.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video.
Okay, hi guys. Click more here for my videos. Bye.